going on, everybody? Once again, welcome to Pay Yourself Back. I'm your host, C-Los, guys, and here on my channel, you already know it's always about having a good time, being mentally aware, and of course, spiritually well, guys. It's another beautiful day here on the Treasure Coast, Port St. Lucie, Florida, guys. And oh man, the weather is, you couldn't ask for anything better on a Sunday, guys. It's a very nice day. We're going into the latter part of the year 2023, soon to be 2024, and the weather has been great. It's windy. I mean, the humidity is like really low for Florida, South Florida at least, and that's a good thing, guys. And I tell you, I you know, being from Washington State, y'all already know it. Those who follow me, I long for the winter time in South Florida, because we don't get those winter, we don't get the coldness down here in South Florida, you know, like they do in North Florida, Jacksonville, places like that. But today, guys, we're going to be doing I guess like a seafood fiesta or seafood bash or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what, because I've never done one before, guys, here, especially in the new construction home here. We're going to be putting together some stuff. I'm going to show you guys. We got crab legs, we got shrimp, we have Dungeness crab, we got potatoes, we got corn, we got the usual Louisiana thing or whatever. It's only me and Miss Janet, so you know. But before I do that, guys, I want to show you something real quick. Let's take a walk out here to the yard, guys. Oh, and I was talking to you guys last time about the fire pit. So the fire pit is actually done. Let me show it to you. So came out pretty good. It's a 3-tier little fire pit here. It came out pretty good, you know. Compliments of myself, you know. I didn't hire anybody to do that. I did it myself, actually, guys. But for my brethren got a sorrel tree here, and the flower was budding this morning, but I guess it went in. But you can see the little sorrel leaves starting to come out here, and I'm very proud of that, because soon, and also tell you guys all the time about this banana tree right here. One of my guys here that live down the street from me, Mr. Jack, he gave me this tree, and look how big it's got. This thing is huge. Got my propane burner right there, guys. So let's go in the house and let's go in and get started here, get everything prepped, so we can come back out and put this seafood on the burner. All right, so starting out, we have some king crab legs, got some shrimp there, got a bell pepper, some corn, Yukon Gold potatoes, ooh, and we got some chili peppers, some peppers right here, and habaneros. These are come out the freezer, guys, so that's the reason why they have that little frost on them still. Got our onions, Dungeness crab, and lobster claws. And of course, you know, we got our Zatarans, little crab ball. I use this also to put in there. This is another seasoning that I'm going to put on top of once everything is done. And slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Hadn't tried this yet, but it looks good. And we got our famous mix. Everything is got some lemons in there. Smells nice. But yeah, guys, we're getting ready to go ahead and put this on. In addition to us doing our seafood fiesta, Scooby was also trying to get a bath. Miss Janet's gonna bathe him. No, get back. Yeah. He hates getting bathed. Gonna get a bath today. And see, he's long overdue for a bath. Long overdue. But today is his lucky day. It's his lucky day. And look, Miss Janet was like, let's bathe them in the bathtub. I was like, we don't live in an apartment no more. We're not bathing in a bathtub. Look at this house. Look at the backyard. No, his ass is not getting bathed in no bathtub like we live in an apartment no more. He gonna get bathed in this yard. Ladies and gentlemen, we finally, with all this wind, we finally got a boil. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful thing right there. We got everything working. No, I'm not gonna set that right there. I'm gonna set it on the table. But we finally got a boil. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. The corn is, yeah, it's gonna take a little bit while. It's gonna take a little bit longer. Yeah, got a ways to go with that. But the bell pepper and the onion and the lemon, yeah. Come on. Settle down. Stop. Got it.
Come on here. Stop that mess.
All right, guys. So listen, it's time to put on the ultimate feast right now because we got the water that's boiling up. Everything is copacetic. I think that's pretty much done. So now we're gonna put on the seafood. I mean, and it's, look guys, this is crazy. Claw, lobster claw, going in there. Listen, ooh my gosh, crab leg, ooh, crab legs, oh, yikes, my gosh. Dungeness. Yeah, that's crazy. Matter of fact, guys, I'm just gonna dump everything because I got the shrimp. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh. G Monetti. That is what you call a seafood feast. Everything goes in, guys, and it fits. I had to go and buy this pot from Walmart. I think this is a 16 quart, 16 gallon, something like that. And guys, listen, the next time you see me, we'll be eating. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. And we got the fire perfectly proportioned for the pot. And yes, we're gonna eat good tonight. Look at the shrimp, guys. The shrimp is good. Of course, we know that the Dungeness crab. Look at that shrimp. Oh my gosh. Keep going. We're gonna pull the shrimp out. I mean the crab out. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Keep the shrimp in there. Crab legs. Dungeness crab. Pull that out. Yep. King crab. King crab leg. Oh my gosh. Holy moly donut shop. We're gonna pull all that out. Guys, let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Ooh, we're gonna eat good tonight. I might be calling in sick tomorrow because we got to. I might be calling in sick tomorrow. Look, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, king crab legs, babe. Ooh wee. Dungeness crab. Get your ass out of there. Come on. King crab, Dungeness crab. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh. No, we. Oh, corn. Ooh. Potatoes. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Yes. Let's dig deep, baby. Crab. corn. Come on. Potatoes. Come on. Wow. Dig deep, dig deep, dig deep. We got some. Oh my gosh. No, we don't. Let me see. Okay. Let's keep going. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. But we gonna enjoy as much as we can. My spoon keeps falling down. Look at this. That's insane. Let me just taste one of these potatoes, cause that's hot. Oh, ooh, yes. Let's get them. Listen, guys, I hope you guys have a good week. Start your week off right. Blessings to everybody out there. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy life, guys. Until next time, be well, my friend. Silos out, baby.